Take a look at this simple image. Let's see how we can turn it into an attractive post using Canva. You can use it for social media posts, commercial ads, website banners, digital flyers, or even email promotions. Start by opening Canva, then head over to the social media category and choose your preferred post size. Next, upload the picture you want to use in your post. Click here to remove the background, then choose a new background color. After setting the background, go to Elements and look for Side Shadow. Next, go to Graphics and click here to See All. Pick the one you like best and add it to your design. Click on Edit, go to Effects, choose Duotone, and pick the color that looks best on your design. Once you've picked your effect, click on Shadows. A color panel will open up, and from there, you can easily adjust the gradient to match your design. Okay, next step, open the Layers panel and switch on Show Layers. You'll see all your elements pop up right here. Now just grab the image layer and drag it to the top so it stays above everything else. See? Super easy. All right, select your image and click on this icon to make a duplicate. Then head over to Edit and you'll see more options appear. In the Effects section, choose Duotone. When the color settings open, select Custom. This will show even more controls. Now, change both the highlight and shadow colors to black. We're doing this so the image turns completely black because we'll be using it as a shadow in our design. Now, go back to the Effects section and select Blur. When the blur settings appear, make sure you're applying it to the whole image. Then, simply increase the blur intensity until it looks nice. It looks a bit too dark right now, so let's fix that. Click here and lower the transparency until it blends nicely. Once it looks good, position the image where you want the shadow to appear. Next, add your text and type in whatever suits your post. After that, click here to pick the font style that fits your design best. Now, click on the Text Settings option and adjust the letter spacing until it looks just right for your design. Now, click on Text Effects and add a shadow to your text. After that, go to the Text Color option and pick the color you want for the shadow. You can also tweak the shadow color settings right from here to get the look you want. You can also add more text here, maybe your brand name, a short message, or anything that helps promote your post. Next, add an offer sticker from the Elements section to make your post stand out and look more eye-catching. that's it. Your post is all set and ready to share.